dark web.
What's dark web?
How do the
Yeah, the dark net is mostly about the bad guys. And
You have to do it now.
Hey, I can't see you.
Good day everyone, my name is Jovelyn Almaral from House of Slytherin, and this is my movie review titled Unfriended Dark Web, directed by Stephen Susco. The character of the movie are Erica, TJ Lex, Matthias, Serena, Nari, AJ, Burley, Amaya, Kelly, and the Sharons. Unfriended Dark Web is a horror movie that shows a man who found a laptop in a cafe. He used the laptop as his own thing. He opened the account of Nora and is shocked when Erica is a message that says give it back the laptop and meet her at the cafe. But before he went to the cafe, there is a man chatting with him and challenging him to play a game, exchange of money. So Matthias played a game with 5 of his friends, and they all noticed something weird. He tried to open some files and he saw a mysterious folder that plays disturbing videos of people who appear to be in danger. They then receive an anonymous message that tells them that they will die if they disconnect or call the police. And in the end, they all died because of the users. Are there any trends in ICT that tackled in the film? If yes, please elaborate. Yes, there is a trend in ICT that tackled in the film. First, the social media, such as Facebook, Skype, Safari, and Spotify. The second one is the convergence, because they use laptop and cell phones. That's the example of convergence. Are there any internet threats that show in the film? If yes, please elaborate. Yes, there is a threat that show in the film, and it's a malware. One of the type of malware is a spyware, where the laptop hacked by Sharon, and he can control the laptop while Matthias using it. And next is spamware, show multiple messages pop up in the laptop screen. And lastly is the phishing, where the hacker used the information against Matthias and his girlfriend and his friends. The lesson that I learned in the film Unfriended Dark Web is when you pick up the gadget somewhere, don't use it. Instead, give it to the brown guy to give it back to the owner. Second, when you accidentally open someone's account, log it out immediately to respect their personal information. Third, don't open the link that someone sent you. Check it first for your safety. Then fourth, or the lastly, is don't share your personal information to any kind of social media. Make it private. That's it. This is my film review. And again, I'm Jovelyn Almaral, member of the House of Slytherin. Thank you.